Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by checking baseline grip and warming the small muscles. This tells you where to start and prevents injury. Once warmed, do fingertip push-ups and towel rings for 3 sets of 10 to activate intrinsic hand fibers. Make sure to pace sets with 45-60 seconds rest. This keeps tension without overfatigue. You're training both strength and coordination at once, so observe any joint pain and slightly reduce load if needed. Then continue to the next phase. You now progress by adding consistent overload. Each week increase gripper tension or weight by a small increment to force adaptation. Once done with overload, incorporate pinch holds for 20-30 seconds to target thumb and long flexors. These improve functional grasp. Make sure to include tendon glides and passive stretches for 2 minutes daily so mobility keeps pace with strength gains. You should feel controlled fatigue, not sharp pain, and adjust volume if recovery lags. You complete a training block by performing a peak session. Gripper sets, pinch holds, then 2 minutes of fingertip hangs, twice that week to consolidate gains. Once finished, schedule a deload week every 6 to 8 weeks where you cut volume in half so tendons recover and strength solidifies. If things go wrong, sharp pain, numbness, or swelling, stop training immediately, apply ice, and consult a clinician. This prevents chronic injury and lets you return stronger and safer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.